up, B? It's the Boss Buddy. Hey, I'm here to make your day. Put you in the mood for a helpful attitude. Save the planet. Be a cool dude. If you don't know what to do, help the birds and bees and butterflies too. Ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boss Buddy! Goldenrod, it attracts bees so much I am just awed. Its real name should be the golden bee god. Ooh, it is a perennial and likes the soil dry. Why for the bees it's like yummy pie. This plant can grow as tall as me, which in case you were wondering is 4 feet. Goldenrod, it attracts bees so much I am just awed. Its real name should be the golden bee god. Its flowers are yellow and it attracts bees. There will be so many of them that there won't be any room for another one to squeeze. Goldenrod, it attracts bees so much I am just awed. Its real name should be the golden bee god. It likes the sun. Seeing so many bees will make me want to run. But don't be scared, bees don't sting unless you dare to get too close to their hive. Bees are my heroes. They are so smart, they can understand the number 0. They use their smarts to work hard. Why they have such good hearts. When they shake their booty in the bee dance, it looks like they're putting out tiny farts. Before you laugh at that, they're doing an amazing act. They are talking about where to find nectar plants. It's a fact. Bees are pollinators who help plants and trees having offspring. Oh, it makes me so happy. I want to sing. And a goldenrod makes great pressed flower art. And it will smell so well. It will put you in a spell. So get out there and plant a goldenrod. It attracts bees so much I am just awed. Its real name should be the golden bee god.